You guys know what time it is. Another great Amazon findings fashion haul. Amazon offers a very fasted selection of options, of designer to high-end to trends and fashion. That's why I love to shop on Amazon. One thing I love about Amazon, it gives you a wide range of items and selections and trends, and you find exactly what you want in the comfort of your own home. All right, enough talking about how wonderful it is to shop on Amazon. As you know, I love to shop on Amazon. Let's open this package. Yeah. Pink body clone dress. Oh, a white cardigan, can never go wrong. Very classical, and it's thin, lightweight. Amazon, you have done it this time, because not only I have it in pink, I have it in black too. But I got the dress from this place right here on Amazon. You see the price, it's pretty affordable and has a lot of different colors. All right, you guys, this is the dress right here, $39.99 for 2 pieces. Nice length. You can wear it to church or business or office with the blazer. And there's the top, you guys. And when I'm talking about soft and cuddly, this baby is nice. So let me try this on, see how she fits. So far, I love the tag and the label, and it doesn't have no funky factory smell. The stitches look all in place. Everything looks pretty good. Don't see no loose strings or no funny holes or anything. This looks like very high-end designer material. And I got this in a medium. And this is supposed to be high-waisted. Got the little tag there. Again, no funny stitches. Everything is lined up really nice. Has a nice finish on the bottom. And look at that fabric. That's good. Love this fit of this body clone 2-piece outfit. It's so amazing with this white cardigan too. And the cardigan is made with such a light, good, like stretchy material cotton. So it's definitely a flattering fitting dress. This dress or 2-piece skirt or outfit has great versatility. I'm gonna pull this off with a jean jacket, and I can dress it up with a cardigan or a blazer for business attire. Not only they have it in the wonderful black and pink as you saw me wear, they have it in a range of different colors and options, and I love that. I love that. Don't you love that? It's easy to layer, as I said earlier, and this is a timeless piece. I mean, I feel like I can wear this during the summer, spring, winter, next year, 3 more years from now. It has no busy prints. It's just an easy piece to wear. Ooh, the black one. Love it. Smells wonderful. It says, stay cozy with your cozy cloud sweater. Is that clouds? Yeah, that's so cute. Ooh. And I am 5'8", so this is really appropriate length. I like it. I like it a lot. Last but not least, on this Amazon findings, we got our really wonderful light white cardigan. This is only $20.23, you guys. It's on sale. They have other colors and other styles, but I like this one because I like these little like lines. I don't know if it's capturing it, the design. So it's not just a solid white. It has a little texture and like line design. This is a medium. It does look like a little bit small medium, but we're gonna try her on because it has a lot of stretch, and you can never go wrong with the white cardigan, like period. It comes with a little extra button, a cute tag. What I do like about Amazon, girl, you don't like it, it's easy to return it. Amazon always offers very fast shipping, especially if you're a Prime member. I love that. And Amazon has so many options, like I said earlier. So get your butt on Amazon and shop for trendy, high-end fashion or low-end designer clothes. Get ready, get ready. They always have great sales and promotions, so you won't miss out. So, enough said. I enjoy showing you guys these amazing, great things I find on Amazon. You guys like it? Size small, you guys. The pink was a medium, so I just wanted to show you the difference, that it's gonna be a lot shorter here, it's gonna be a lot tighter around the arm, and I don't mind. I think I am a small more than a medium, but it's a lot shorter too. But I love this. Like, you know, if you want to hide the little skin, you just raise the skirt. It's just so simple, so easy. You know, and if you want to show a little skin, you just pull that skirt down. And then I wish I had a cute like belly chain. That would just be so fly. But I love touching the fabric. It is so supple and soft, and it has a little great texture to it too. And I like that this hides my bra strap. Perfect. Because I hate when I have to keep tucking it in. So it's just so designed, so perfect. It's not bunching up around the back. You know, it's laying down very nicely. This is really great quality. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it. So if you guys love my fashion haul videos, especially my Amazon fashion hauls videos, just give me a thumbs up, please. A thumbs up, and you can subscribe to the channel if you want. That's cool. But if not, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys again on one of my next videos. Bye now.